Guys, this is really unraveling and washing day routine. Oh, this is really massive. Oh, I'm even tired. To take care of hair, children's hair is not easy. Believe you me. But just let's see. Let's dive and see what I'm going to do. Okay? So their hair is done. Cutting. Hi guys. Today we are going to be unraveling our hair, my daughter's hair. This is a month and some days now we made this hair, so we're going to unravel it together with you. If you can remember when we did this hair, yeah, she have carried it at least enough, and today we are going to do unraveling with you guys. Just watch how we're going to do it. Yay! So since then I do massage her hair with oil, with homemade growing hair conditioner I made. So how we're going to do it now, we're not going to waste a lot of time. I will check where the hair stops. Yeah, I'll just cut it off like this. So we are going to be doing it like this until we cut all of them, and we go on to unravel it. Okay, you see, it is, some people said, how are you going to unravel this? Let's see how you're going to do it. It is not hard. It is not hard at all. Okay, so just watch and see. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do it to subscribe, give our video a thumbs up, share it, and also watch our videos. We have cooking videos, we have blogs, we have a lot of beautiful recipes we made and we uploaded. Kindly watch them. And if you have any products you want us to review for you, kindly also contact us with the email I will put on the description below. We are going to review your product and tell people about your product. Let your product be genuine. Okay, do a wonderful product. Let it be fine and genuine. So you can see the noise of cars passing. We are really outside in the balcony. Today is sunny here in Germany, and we love the sunshine. So guys, let me not waste a lot of time. We are going to take you along after cutting them. I will show you how I'm going to unravel it. That is not going to be hard for me, and also easy for the person who is sitting down. Okay, just keep watching. So I finished cutting her own. I will go ahead now to cut her sister's own. Maybe you can go. Yes, so her sister own. So I'll go ahead to cut it as I cut the sister's own. Today we're going to unravel everything today. So her sister's own, you can see her hair is not too long to compare with the sister's own. I'll go ahead to do the magic by cutting the hair where her hair stops. Sorry baby girl. So I'll cut it like this. Okay, after cutting it, I will show you also how her face will look. But there is one thing I want you to learn. If their hair is natural hair, don't wash it. Don't unravel all of them before you can wash. What you're going to do, what I'm going to do is, after cutting this, I'll go and wash their hair, shampoo it with shampoo, with conditioner. Then I will come and unravel I remove the extension. Then I will make their hair so that their hair will remain long without going down. Okay, so this is easier for us that will have natural hair. Okay, no matter they relaxed their hair last time, but I can tell you that their hair is still not relaxed now. Okay, this is another way you can make their hair not to pain them when making it. So I will not take you a lot of time. let me just leave you now. I will come back to you when I finish cutting them off. Okay, yeah, don't forget to share this video. Let people, the mamas who want to grow their children's hair, also learn how to do this at the comfort of their home without spending a cover, without spending a cent. Okay, so keep watching. So we finish cutting. Look at what we got here. Hey, look at, I will go ahead now to wash their hair. After washing it, I will unravel it and I will come back to you guys. Keep watching.
Bye bye.
So their hair is done cutting. So bye, just continue watching. Bye. So guys, here I washed their hair. Now I'm trying to dry it off, and after drying it off, I also apply some oil to keep it moisturized before I can go on to unravel the second part. So keep watching. I will be using the leave-in conditioner which I made here. If you have not watched the video of that, kindly watch it. I will add the link in the description. Try to see how we made this leave-in conditioner. Is so wonderful. It can make your scalp shining and moisturizes your hair, make your hair grow. It's very nice. Homemade is the best, guys. Look at it. This is awesome. This is awesome. Check the ingredients I used to prepare this by myself. This is so great. I use it for myself and also for my children. It's so awesome. So keep watching, guys. Let me show you the outcome of the hair after unraveling it and the rest. Okay, guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you have not done so by now. Right? I keep watching. My baby girl. So guys, we finished unraveling the hair. The hair is done and you can see it now. We have done, but I will go on now to wash it again. I have to wash it again because I am seeing that there are some white things I need to wash out. So I'll go now and give it a small wash again and shampoo it a little bit and conditioner it a little bit before we can now wash it. So this is the outcome of her hair for now. So guys, here I added a conditioner. I'm trying to comb it through before I go ahead to wash it again. Yeah, because I saw that after unraveling the hair, it did not give me what I want. If I say let me just comb it like that and continue making her hair, the hair can begin to scratch when it have not reached 2 weeks or a week safe. So I said let me just wash it again. So left for you to check if you can use that method I told you before. You can use it. You can as well check how clean the hair is, if you can go on with it, or you can wash it again like me. So after shampooing it again, I'm going to go and wash it. Now after washing it, now I have washed it. Now I'm trying to dry it and yeah, just to see if I can trim the hair and comb it through. Yeah, I'm going to be making the hair tomorrow, not today, because I have to give her today, let her rest. So tomorrow I'll go ahead to make her desired hair for her. So just keep watching to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, guys, to the end.
This is Chikwado's best channel. This is Chikwado's best channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado's best. Chikwado's best for intercontinental dishes. Chikwado's best for lifestyle and product reviews. Chikwado's best. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly. Yes. Chikwado's best. Chikwado's best. Oh, Chikwado's best. On a fair on a muta, money wearing cashobi. Iga muta akwukwo. Inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check. For food we did, for vlog we did, lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado's space. This is Chikwado's space channel. This is Chikwado's space channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado's space. Ezibonika Ologuma, Chikwado's space. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado's space. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado's space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, yeah. Chikwado's space. Chikwado's space, oh, Chikwado's space. We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, and comment. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado's best. Ezibonika Ologuma, Chikwado's best. For intercontinental dishes, Chikwado's best. For lifestyle and product reviews, Chikwado's best. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, yes. Chikwado's best. Chikwado's best, oh, Chikwado's best. On a fair on a muta, money wearing cashobi. Iga muta akwukwo. Inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check. For food we did, for vlog we did, lifestyles and product review, all in Chikwado's space. This is Chikwado's space channel. This is Chikwado.